The story about coconut is intriguing. To diversify the export base of Ghana, the government added coconut to its flagship program called Planting for Export and Rural Development, started in 2019. The slogan is apt description and forecast of economic value of coconut. Across the three major types of coconuts, the gestation period ranges 3 to 7 years. Ghanaian research scientists say coconut is not a type of crop that can speedily be multiplied on account of its makeup and crossings that could permeate generations. In all the types, the CSIR Oil Palm Research Institute points at the hybrid as the most resistant to disease and pests and therefore high yielding. The Supervising Institute, abbreviated as OPRI, indicates that the debilitating coconut disease was first noticed in the Volta region in 1932, then in the Western region in 1964, and in the Central region in 1983. With the use of a metal hook, the insidious pest of coconut could be fished out from the peduncle of the plant.
This is how they look like.
The foregoing reflected ongoings in the Takoradi station of CSIR Coconut Program. Closing that page, our news cameras switched to Bamianko in Nzima, also in Western region. A lot of plant material here, some as wild growth, some as plantations. The coconut program also finds expression in Bamianko, and here the research scientists demonstrate how they cross coconut. They cut open the inflorescence and remove the male flowers on the parent plant. The preferred male pollen is then introduced to cross the female flower that remained on the decapitated inflorescence. CSIR is appealing for further assistance to expand coconut seed gardens for propagation.
The government has set a very ambitious target of producing 2 million seedlings in a year. Obviously, at the moment, we don't have the capacity, and we have shared our concern with government, who has also been ready and has shown readiness to help us expand our seed gardens to be able to produce the required seedlings to the district.
A Ghanaian-owned agro-processing company produces coconut oil, indicating it is poised to turn every byproduct of coconut for use. The shell is used for charcoal, the husk for biofuel, and as plant manure. Ghana Exim Bank flew the company to Southeast Asia to understudy India, the Philippines, and Indonesia. International development agencies are currently funding and exploring the European market for the company's exports.
Exim Bank, and we are working with them. In fact, they have some special interest in the coconut industry, and they are helping develop that sector. So they actually took us on a trip even to Indonesia to go in and understudy. Indonesia is the largest producing coconut country, and they took us there for us to appreciate what is going on, and then also to learn at first and how some of the processes are doing. I mean, they do the processing of the nuts. So they've been very, very supportive in this venture, and we appreciate what they've done for us. We hope to work with them closely going forward.
The International Plant Genetic Resources Institute, which serves as germ bank for plants, is located in the Ivory Coast and responsible for Indian Ocean and African countries. It is a place where new plant varieties, including coconut, could be sourced for reinforcements. Napoleon Atukitu reporting.